Thank you for clicking on this video. It's your time with Bob. This is my very first video, but I'm going to be posting more in the next year. And I made this video about 2 days ago when I deep conditioned my hair for the very first time. It was both deep conditioning and protein treatment. So right here I was feeling my hair. My hair has been sort of up in a puff. I'll insert a picture for a few days, and it felt so dry, so I felt the need for a deep conditioning. I first spritz my hair with some little water, and then this is the treatment, guys. I blended Overcooked rice water, and then it was too thick, so I did not add water to dilute it. I instead used this gel I made from Okra. I made it myself, and I added vinegar, the regular vinegar, just about 2 teaspoons, and I mixed it. Let me keep your secret. The best in my heart is the safest. Baby, turn on me and say, baby, I love your body. I panic when I see your body. So then I applied directly to my hair. This is what my hair felt, so soft. And the curl pattern was very well defined. It was so soft, people, so soft. As you can see, the comb was just swooshing through the hair, very soft. So I combed through so that the conditioner would get to every part, and then I put on my cap. You can use two. I added a polythene bag after, or you can use 2 polythene bags, 2 cups, or a shower cap and a polythene bag, and you let it sit for about 30 minutes. Mine sat for 40 because I was doing something. After that, I sealed my hair with an oil. I sealed my hair with an oil. I use amla oil, and then I put it into twists. It took me about 3 hours. This is me doing my length checks. So I twisted this hair, and it took me about 3 hours. Like this video, subscribe, and comment down below what I should improve on, be it my background, everything. And I know this video might be a little boring, but wait for next year's videos. You know, it's the very first time. I don't want to put myself out there, and they say a good beginning makes a bad beginning. Right. Thanks for watching, and watch out for my other videos. Watch out, because they are going to be nice. Thank you for watching. God bless you. Bye.